Wash your hands. The ingredients are 1 pack of many cookies, 300 milliliters of milk, 250 grams of chocolate for fun, 50 grams of butter, 1 lemon, 1 cinnamon stick, and for decoration of the soup pen, we put a warm 150 milliliters of milk with the lemon rind and the cinnamon stick to flavor it. We let it when boil. The milk is hot, add the chocolate and lower the heat. Extraction so that the mixture is expressed in the same line as the butter extract and add a little more milk. Mix and add more milk. We add the butter and mix. Place the rest of the milk on a plate and moisten the cookies so they are soft, and then place in a mold for a place seat. We covered the first layer of cookie with the chocolate and put back a layer of cookies. We repeat the process 3 or 4 times in the high function that the second layer. When we finish the layers, we decorate. We put it in the fridge, and in hour we will have the cake ready. Good appetite. Goodbye.